Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to connect to the server error in League of Legends. This issue is usually caused by network or DNS problems, and this method fixes it for most players. First, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click it, and select Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and open Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close everything. Next, go back to Search and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. For the final step, restart your computer. Once your system boots back up, launch League of Legends. The server connection error should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.